Great day everyone! Welcome back to Ramz tutorial. If you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are updated in my latest videos. Today class, we're going to discuss about kinetic energy and potential energy. But before we proceed to potential energy and kinetic energy, I have something to tell you. What you call is very good introductions about our topic, kinetic energy and potential energy. Remember class, for example, when a ball is released from a certain height, it is pulled by gravity. And the potential energy is converted to kinetic energy during the fall. As this energy converts from potential to kinetic, it is important class to take into considerations that energy cannot be created nor destroyed. That is what we call the law of conservation of energy. So now we are going to proceed to the definitions according to the book. That kinetic energy means it is the energy that it possesses due to its motions, its actions or motions. It is defined as the work needed to accelerate a body of a given mass from rest to its stated velocity. That is what you call in physics. I have a problem regarding kinetic energy. Remember that this energy is what we call different from a normal. That is what we are applying energy. Energy normally we can't do work without the presence of energy. But here in kinetic energy or in physics, we are going to discuss or we're going to compare the motions of every object, whether their mass and their velocity. So we have here a word problem. A 0.50 kilogram or 0.5 kilogram bowling ball, you know what is a bowling ball class, roll with a speed of 5.5 meter per second. Question: what is its KE or kinetic energy? Before we solve class, don't forget to write first the formula. Okay? Because formula help us how to solve it. The formula in solving kinetic energy is Ka, that stands for kinetic energy, is equal to 1/2 mass and velocity squared. By using formula, we can solve it easily. We're going to write first here given. The given we have, I'm going to write m, which is refers to mass. We have 0.5 kg or 0.50 kilogram. Next, for velocity, we have, okay, it refers to the distance or speed. We have 5.5 meter per second. Now in our solution class, our viewers, this is how we are going to give the solution of this problem. Of course, by using our what we call the formula. So we're going to start with our given, the mass and velocity. We have first here. Okay, we're going to write K again is equal to 1/2 mv squared. So we're going to write 1/2. Then don't forget to write the mass and the velocity, of course. 0.50 kg times 5.5 meter per second, and don't forget the squared. from velocity. So now class, to get the final answer, we're going to multiply this one. Okay? I'm going to show you how to multiply that. 5.5. Okay, so times what we call it 0.50, or we converted 0.5 kilogram. So now we are going to write here first here 5 times 5 is 25, regroup 2. 5 times 5, 25 plus 2 is 27.5. Is that our final answer? No. We're going to what we call, use the formula, what we called, we are going to multiply that 27.5 to our what we call squared, which is the velocity squared. We are going to multiply that twice. 27.5 times 5 times 5 rather, so this is 25, regroup 2, please follow guys. 7 times 5, 35 plus 2 is 37, regroup 3. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 3 is 13. Next, 7 times 5, 35, bring down 5, regroup 3. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 3, 52. I am right. Next, 2 times 7 again is 14, plus 5, 19. So we're going to write here 9 and 1. Okay. So next, we have 2 times 5, we have 10. Carry 1, regroup 1 rather. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Regroup 1, 2 times 2, 4 plus 1 is 5. We're going to add 2 long. Bring down 5. 7 plus 5, that's 12. Regroup 1. 1 plus 3 plus 2, so we have first here 6. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 5, 15. Regroup 1. 1 plus 1 plus 5, we have 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 27 times 2, that's 27 squared, 27. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write here the decimal point. Our answer is 7.5625. Remember, 6 is our significant figure. 6 is round up. So now 7.5, we are going to write here 7.6. Why class? Because 6 is our significant figure. So 6 plus 1 to 5, we're going to round off. Our answer now is 7.6J. That means to say, in solving kinetic energy, the word energy class, remember in physics, the unit is J stands for joule. Our answer is 7.6J. And what is that? That is our kinetic energy of bowling. This is what we call the kinetic energy of the bowling ball. This is our final answer, guys, and solving kinetic energy po. So simply you are going to follow our what we call formula so that you will not be confused how I get 7.6J or joule. So we are going to multiply first here twice, okay, the mass and velocity, mass, then 1/2 of mass times the velocity squared. So the result is multiplied it twice, then you can get the final answer, which is 7.6J or 7.6 joule. Okay, so why 6? Because I already round off class. Okay, because our significant figure is 6. So 6 plus 5 from here. Okay, the right answer is 7.6 joule. That's for kinetic energy. Now, we are going to proceed to our next topic, very exciting also, about potential energy class. So remember, potential energy now, it is what we call the energy stored within an object due to the object's position, arrangement, or state. It depends upon how the object's being arranged. That is potential energy po. So the word problem in potential energy is that Divine left her 0.30 kilogram, so we can convert her to 0.3 kilogram book from the floor to her desk, which is 0.60 meter high or 0.6 meter high. The question is, we are going to find the gravitational potential energy gained by the book. So we're going to, of course class, we're going to what we call the right formula for potential energy. So the formula in getting the potential energy is that we're going to write uppercase PE, then small g. Chiram, why is that? Uppercase PE, then lowercase g. Because this class stands for what we call potential energy po, or gravitational potential energy. Tamang word nito na gravitational potential energy po. Yan. That's PEG. That's how we're going to read it, the symbols. So, we have M, lowercase po, mgh, that is mass, gravity, and height. Again, this refers to mass, G is gravity, H is for the height. Like that. Now, we are going to proceed to our problem. I'm going to solve it. So, we are first given. Please follow, viewers. Please follow, guys. Okay, given we have same procedure. I'm going to write first M, G, and H. M, G, then H. So, we are going to find out the potential energy po. The right answer, the potential energy. Okay, so we're going to find it out in our problem. Divine lifts her 0.30 kilogram book from the floor to her desk, which is 0.60 meter high. So we're going to write 0.30 kilogram to our mass. 0.30 or what we call 0.3. Next, for gravitational rather, we have 9 points. Okay, we have first 0.60 for our height, 0.60. Okay, so next is that okay, next is already the gravity class or the gravitational, which is 9.8 meter per second squared. Okay, in our problem here, I forget to write first the 9.8 meter per second squared. Okay, we have first the mass, the gravity, the gravitational, and of course the height. So we're going to solve it. Point 30. So I'm going to solve 0.30 first to 60. Okay, this one first. 0, 6 times 0, 0, 6 times 3, 10. So the result, guys, we have a 10. So next is for 9.8 for our, what we called, sorry for our word problem. I forgot to put the gravitational here. This is the gravitational. Alright, it's the gravity. 9.8. So now we are going to proceed to 9.8. 9.8 times 18. Just like we are going to multiply the whole number. Okay? Anyway, don't confuse about that. It's quite easy. It's what we call the misinterpretations. So 8 times 8 is 64. So we're going to bring down 4, 6. Concentrate, guys. 9 times 8 is 72. Then we're going to add the regroup number. We're going to write it 78. 1 times 8 is 8. Then 9. So 4, 16, 1, 7, 10. So we have first, our given is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put the decimal point. This is 1.76, what we called 4. So remember, 6 is our significant figure. So we're going to round it off. So 6 plus to 7. So 7 becomes 8. So therefore, our potential energy is 1.8 G or joule. Okay? Because 6 is rounding up. So we're going to what we call round off to our answer. The answer now is 1.8 joule for what we call the potential energy gained by the book. Okay, hope guys you understand about our topic about getting kinetic and potential energy. Okay, once again, so long and thank you for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe to Ramz tutorial blog. Bye bye and God bless everyone. Thank you for watching.